Quantum BioPharma has developed a new chemical entity, NCE drug compound, which is also a small molecule with over 14 years of preclinical R&D showing promising efficacy. Lucid-MS is a NCE with new active ingredients never before approved by Health Canada or the FDA. New chemical entities reflect cutting-edge research and mark significant steps forward in modern medicine's pursuit to tackle these difficult diseases. In the case of Quantum BioPharma, the targeted remyelination approach for multiple sclerosis dials in on the neurodegenerative aspect of the disease and not focusing solely on the autoimmune component. New chemical entities drive medical innovation, enabling life-changing therapies like Lucid-MS, a promising small molecule drug currently in development. Small molecule drugs are low molecular weight compounds that easily penetrate cells to target proteins and enzymes, making them effective against diseases like cancer, infections, and neurodegenerative disorders. They are often taken orally, ensuring convenience and better patient compliance. Oral administration. Patients prefer oral medications, and small molecules often have high oral bioavailability, making them easier to prescribe and distribute. Patent and market exclusivity. Pharma companies can secure patents on innovative small molecule drugs, ensuring market exclusivity and significant revenue potential before generics enter the market. I'm Jason Sawyer, Head of Finance, Mergers and Acquisitions at Quantum BioPharma. To learn more, visit our website at quantumbiopharma.com, where you can access our investor deck and explore detailed research insights. Thank you for tuning in.